Everybody, welcome. My name is Dion and my channel is called Dosi Projects. On this channel, you should learn some techniques in the practical application of woodworking, metalwork, fiberglass, GFRC, glass fiber reinforced concrete, and low-cost building, using no special tools or expensive equipment, except for low-cost building where I've used a machine to make blocks, which I will describe when I do that. I bought a 6-acre vacant parcel of land in the country in 2007. This channel showcases some of the projects that I've undertaken in developing the project. Some would say they are weird and bizarre. I admit they most probably would be correct. Some would also say that I'm slightly deranged, an engineer gone rogue. That may also be true. My staff certainly think I'm a bit bonkers. The property started out as a completely barren grassland, not a tree or structure on it. It was a paddock used for horses, and I bought it from a neighboring property owner. And I then undertook a number of projects on the property, which has resulted in the property generating an income of around $18,000 per month. This channel will showcase those projects that I undertook to generate that amount of income. The projects on the channel will include the building of a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house for $32,000 just in 5 months, just myself and 2 unskilled staff. That is equivalent to a typical comparative house would cost about 4.5 times that. So it is real practical low cost building. One of the main projects that I'll put up now is the making of a wood-fired authentic pizza oven. And I've made that in a fiberglass mold so that I can make copies of them to give to my mates or to sell. The adventures of building a gold mine in wild Africa, building of a paddle tennis facility, invention of a unique chair. That's where I learned all my skills in fiberglassing and the beginnings of the GFRC. Yeah, weirdly, I built a lift on the outside of a double-story building here on my property. Why? Just because I wanted to. uh, Design and manufacturing of different objects for the architectural detailing of the houses on the property. My journey in growing tomatoes, 7 years later, and I think I finally understood how to grow really good tomatoes. And eventually, I want the channel to focus on making of furniture that would be a combination of wood, fiberglass. Now, I'm not talking about resin tables necessarily. I'm talking about the use of fiberglass and like wood veneer, because I'm really interested in organic shaped objects. So please join me on my adventures on my channel. Thank you very much.